Number 1. Improve accuracy and reliability in your supply chain. Use RFID to bring transparency to your supply chain. Know what shipments are correct, incorrect, or when something's missing. Number 2. Improve production line efficiency. A quick scan of the tag allows you to streamline and segment your production processes, freeing up valuable resources to use in other areas. Number 3. Track equipment maintenance. Monitor and schedule routine maintenance to reduce downtime and make sure your equipment is available and functioning. Number 4. Increase accuracy of inventory management. Stay current with your inventory with one quick scan using RFID. Quickly know what you have in stock and what you need more of in a matter of seconds versus hours when using barcode. Number 5. Get the most out of your returnable containers. By having accurate inventory of your returnable containers, tools, and other equipment, you can optimize their usage. If you use returnable containers, RFID makes this process easy. Know which containers are ready to be reused and which ones are still out in the field. Number 6. Improve ROI. With the reduced costs of implementation, the barriers to use RFID have never been more affordable. You'll save time and money. Increased efficiencies lead to increased profits. With increased visibility into your operations data, you'll be able to make quicker and better business decisions. To talk to a Metalcraft RFID specialist about your RFID project, contact us at 800-437-5283, 641-423-9460, or at universalrfid.com.